Go home happy with the 2020 Ford F-250. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. If you're going to do it right. This full-size F-250 pickup delivers extraordinary towing, plowing, and hauling capabilities thanks to engineering that leverages lighter, stronger materials and enhanced components. Rigorous testing ensures performance under even extreme conditions, so you can take on the toughest jobs with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, Bedliner, heated mirrors, premium sound system, backup camera. Get into a truck with serious work ethic. This F-250 is waiting just for you. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.